Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to take an old cutting board. It's got some old cracks and lots of knife marks. We're going to restore it to like new. Let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, this board's got some separation in the glue line here and here. So what we got to do is we're going to rip it down there with the table saw. But before we do that, we got to get our rubber feet out the back. For this, I'm just going to use a putty knife. I think that should work okay. Thanks for now. Those are glued in surprisingly well. Well, I was kind of hoping to be able to reuse those feet, but that's not going to work. So we'll figure out something else later on. But let's get ripping on this glue line. All right, we'll line up our glue line. Planed up and ready to go. Alright, just like that. Good as new. Thanks for watching.